Cash, check, and credit card are all payment methods.
When you add together the price of everything you bought, you get the total.
How much do we need to pay?
If you have no utensils, you have to eat with your hands.
$4.
Of course, we don't need their plastic utensils. Course, we don't need utensils.
The restaurant has a good location because it is near the subway and the
Map.
choose a location on the map. Map.
Their food is good.
Dollars. The app is asking me to add a payment method. How do you want to pay?
Seeing the expensive total made us nervous. 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 Seeing the expensive total made us nervous.
You look excited.